Today, we're going to be installing Olixar's camera protector. This should not take any more than a few minutes to install. Before you begin, to buy this product or any other mobile accessories, please visit the links in the description below. Right, let's dive in. In your pack should be the camera protectors, wet wipes, a microfiber cloth, and a dust collector. Before you begin, because your device will need to sit face down, I would recommend putting it on a soft surface, or at very least, wipe down the surface first to avoid scratching the screen or screen protector. In our case, we have used the foam from our previous screen protector. First, you're going to need to clean the camera and surrounding bump. Remove the wet wipe from the packaging and start wiping down the camera module. Make sure you take your time and get any dust or debris out. Now, please wipe down the camera with the included microfiber cloth. Again, take your time and make sure you remove all moisture. Next, use the dust removal stickers, peel them off and stick them to the camera module, then peel back off. Repeat this to remove all dust before applying the glass screen protector. Again, take your time with this step as any dust or debris that gets caught in between will affect your camera's performance. Remove the back from the glass to expose the sticky side. Now, carefully put the camera protector onto the module, making sure it lines up correctly. On the pixel, you will have the cutout line up with the microphone hole and camera flash. Once it's in the correct position, you can push the glass into the phone more to make sure it sticks. Now, wipe away any fingerprints that might be left over. And there you go, your camera is now protected with Olixar's camera protector.